This delicious Mexican rice is a staple in our home. Let's show you how we make it. To start off with, to a large pan, add some sunflower oil, then add your washed rice. At this point, we start to cook our rice in the oil for a little bit of time until the rice is slightly browned. This is the first step in getting the perfect Mexican rice. To add some extra protein to our rice, we're going to use some quinoa in our rice too. We've used a mixed bag of quinoa here. Again, you're going to mix that in so it's nicely incorporated into your rice and let that cook for a few minutes. Once the rice and quinoa have had a few minutes to cook together, it's time to start adding the vegetables. To start off with, we're going to add 2 chopped peppers and give that all a really good mix. We're now going to add our seasoning to our rice. This is important in getting the most perfectly flavoured Mexican rice. We're going to start by adding some salt, pepper, ground cumin and chili powder. Again, give that all a really good mix because you want those flavours evenly distributed in your rice. To add some more flavour to the rice, we're going to go in with some tomatoes. We've used some good quality large vine tomatoes here which we've chopped, and then we're going to mix that into our rice. If you like this recipe, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We're now going to add a secret ingredient to our Mexican rice, some ketchup. This deepens the tomato flavour but also adds a hint of sweetness to the rice. Again, give that all a really good mix. We're also going to add some black beans and sweet corn to our Mexican rice, so just take a tin of each and drain it and then mix it into the rice. Lastly, to add some more flavour to the rice, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of oregano. Once that's mixed into the rice, we now need to cook the rice and quinoa. So get a kettle boiling and we're going to use about 700 ml of boiled water and add this to the rice. Bring the rice to a boil and then cover and leave to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is fully cooked. To add some more flavour, we're going to top with some feta and some coriander. This is a perfect dish to accompany any of your Mexican meals and is guaranteed to be loved by everyone.